Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Have you ever been stuck in that awkward line at the store, frantically searching for your wallet while everyone behind you taps their feet impatiently? We've all been there. But what if there was a smoother, faster way to pay? Today, we're diving into the world of contactless payments and exploring how you can leverage the power of Vivid Money with Apple Pay. For those unfamiliar, Vivid Money offers a sleek metal card and a variety of financial tools, and guess what? You can combine that with the convenience of Apple Pay for a seamless checkout experience. So, whether you're a seasoned Vivid user or just curious about contactless payments, buckle up and get ready to simplify your shopping trips. Why use Apple Pay with Vivid? Before we jump into the how-to, let's explore the why. Why should you consider using Apple Pay with your Vivid card? Here are a few compelling reasons. Speed and convenience. Ditch the wallet fumble. Apple Pay lets you pay with a simple tap of your iPhone or Apple Watch. No more digging through your purse or pockets, just a quick tap, and you're good to go. Enhanced security. Apple Pay prioritizes security. Your actual card information isn't stored on your device or shared with the merchant. Instead, a unique device account number is used, making contactless payments much safer than swiping your physical card. Widely accepted. The good news? Apple Pay is accepted at millions of stores and online retailers worldwide. Chances are, you can ditch the plastic at your favorite coffee shop, grocery store, or even for that online shopping spree. Adding Vivid to Apple Pay, a step-by-step guide. Now that you're convinced about the benefits, let's get down to business. Here's how to effortlessly add your Vivid card to Apple Pay. Method 1. Using the Vivid Money app. Open the Vivid Money app on your smartphone. Navigate to the screen displaying your card details. Look for an option labeled Add to Apple Pay or something similar. You'll likely be prompted to log into your Vivid account for verification. Follow the on-screen instructions, which might involve entering your security code or confirming with your fingerprint. Method 2. Using the Apple Wallet app. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone or Apple Watch. Tap the plus symbol, in the top right corner. Select credit or debit card. Here, you have two options. Hold your physical Vivid card up to the camera for automatic scanning. If scanning doesn't work, enter your card details manually. Once your information is entered, follow the verification steps provided by Apple Pay. This may involve confirming with your bank or entering a verification code sent to your phone. That's it. Your Vivid card should now be successfully integrated with Apple Pay. Troubleshooting tips, just in case. Tech glitches happen sometimes, so here are a few things to keep in mind if you encounter any issues. Ensure compatibility. Make sure your iPhone or Apple Watch model supports Apple Pay. You can find a list of compatible devices on the Apple website. Check for updates. Sometimes, outdated software can cause problems. Ensure both your Vivid Money app and your Apple device are running on the latest versions. Contact support. If you're still facing issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Vivid Money's customer support or Apple support for further assistance. Bonus tip: setting up default card. If you have multiple cards linked to Apple Pay, you can choose your Vivid card as the default option for contactless payments. This makes the checkout process even faster, as you won't need to select the specific card each time. The future of payments is here. By integrating Vivid Money with Apple Pay, you're not just simplifying your life, you're embracing a future of secure and convenient contactless payments. So, ditch the wallet anxiety and join the wave of effortless transactions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy tapping.